Howdy there folks, this is Lapidary Dave, and right now I wanted to share with you folks what I've been doing for the last week or so. Been busy filming the Taos powwow here, Taos Pueblo powwow. I'll have that video up here in a few days maybe. But recently I was reached out to by a company called Keshi Garden, a company out of Shenzhen, China. I get reached out to by a lot of companies asking me to do review videos, unboxings, and also to make videos as in the description section of like eBay and Amazon and stuff. Most of those companies I don't agree to do the videos for because I'm not really into their product, or it really doesn't have anything to do with Lapidary. But it's still a pleasure to be reached out to. Recently, Keshi reached out to me on their little rotary tool here. It's a cute little rotary tool. It's USB powered. At the time, I did not know how small this little tool was. I really liked that it was charged with a little, micro USB, and that it came with 3 different little grommets to hold different sized shanks for your rotary tool burrs, which is really cool because both of the rotary tools that I use that are not flex shafts can't hold my dental tools because the shanks are usually too small on dental tools. Anyway, I made an unboxing video and I drilled a couple of gemstones, both hard and soft, and I was impressed by this. I was meaning to upload that, but in the time it took me to make this video here, I made the product video for the description on their Amazon page. So I figured I don't need to do the unboxing. It's nothing fancy. Little 42-piece accessory kit and a micro USB cable, no power brick. I made the video. I sent in the video. They liked it. So I'm going to share it with you folks here right now instead of my unboxing video. This video is kind of funny. There's a lot of movie magic going on when it comes to me grinding stone, you'll see in this little video. I used their little sanding drums, which are not even silicon carbide, they're like aluminum oxide or something. They're not too hardy, but I made it look a lot more aggressive than it was when it comes to the grinding stone, because I used a really soft piece of local Pilar slate. Pilar slate is a pretty cool stone used by a lot of Native American sculptors around here, and it's pretty soft, like alabaster. So I used this for the grinding part of the video, made it look a lot tougher than it really is. Also, I used one of Ruben Medina's sculptures for the sanding part. I didn't really sand anything on it. I just ran the little sanding drum up and down on the rough sculpture. And it kind of gives a feeling that you can make that sculpture with this tool. Not saying you can't, but I didn't. Just a little bit of, I guess, movie magic deception there. Also, when it comes to the polishing, I used a little piece of Kona dolomite, and I roughed up half of the stone, and I would polish the stone. And then I actually went to my lapidary machine and then took it to 3000 grit. So the polishing of one side of the stone was very easy, and it gave it a cool two-tone look. Again, this was deceiving because I used my lapidary machine and I just edited it in to make it look like I did it all on the tool. But it is a really cool tool. I do suggest buying it. It's cool to have a battery-powered rotary tool, USB-charged battery-powered rotary tool. I used this at the powwow to drill stones. If somebody saw a cab that they wanted, I could make them a necklace right then and there. So it is a good tool, but I made it look extra cool in the video. At the end of the video, I had Master Medina carve a little ohm out of a piece of alabaster. I think it's alabaster, some kind of shell. And when he did that, he did use the Keshi rotary tool and one of the Keshi rotary burrs, but towards the end he switched to one of his burrs to get the final polishing done, because the Keshi stone burr that he was using started to wear out. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. It's a quick little video. You can get these on Amazon. Thank you, Keshi, for reaching out. And it was a pleasure. Anyway, I love you folks. Make sure to like, love, share, subscribe, and all that stuff. Lapidary Dave, right here on YouTube for tips, tricks, giveaways, artist interviews, gear reviews, vloggings, field trips, and much, much more. Love you folks.